Hi there, it's Josh here at the Classic Competition Company with another very nice prize for you guys to take part in. This is a 1974 Suzuki T500 and this one can be won for £2.99 on our website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, and the draw will take place on the 15th of February, which is a Sunday at 10 PM. So this is a fully restored example. It's all been rebuilt fairly recently, top ends all been rebuilt, really nice paint in this kind of bronzy sunset orange colour, I'd say. It's T500, so it's a 500cc twin. It's a two-stroke. You've got these really cool Titan expansion chambers, Titan Performance they're called. Nice chrome rims, stainless steel spokes. So yeah, a lovely example. We haven't started it today or for a week since we've been over Christmas, we've been away. So we'll start up, give it a go, see what happens. The kickstart is on the left-hand side, and most other things are on the left as well. We've got our fuel tap here on reserve, and we've got a choke that I think down is on. Yep, down's on. And we've got our ignition key on the left as well. Turn that to the right. That's on. Neutral light comes on. No tickling. Japanese bike. So we'll give her a kick and see what happens. Yeah, like I said, it's all stone cold. Let's see how well she starts. No, the levers up here. Don't think we've got any ignition buttons anywhere. I'll put it on prime, actually, is what you're meant to do. I think that just increases the flow of the fuel. Give it a second for the fuel to get into those carbs. There we are. There she blows. Gonna play with the choke. I think we just gotta wait for the fuel to get in the carbs a bit more. Might sit on it just to level it out. There we are. Both cylinders are now kicked in. So this one has just been rebuilt, new pistons, so will need running in. I won't rev it too much, but it sounds really good with the expansion chambers, so you can have a little listen. Very nice crackling noise. So yeah, if you fancy a 500cc two-stroke twin, this is the bike for you. It can be won for £2.50 on our website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. If you do enter, thank you for your support as always, and good luck. Good. Get the choke off. Nice.